Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be learning how to simply, uh, basically as easy as possible, how you install WordPress and how you get up and running in under 10 minutes. Yeah, that's right, under 10 minutes or 600 seconds. We'll be up and running with our own CMS WordPress. Anyways, before we get started, I just want to let you know that you can get $50 free to try out the Vultr platform, which is where this tutorial is going to be, or what this tutorial is going to be using today. It's probably one of the simpler platforms out there. It's cheap. You always know what bill you're going to get. And yeah, I mean, they've been investing a lot lately into their platform, basically. So it's a good bet for the future. But anyways, don't take my word for it. Try out the platform, free 50 bucks. And of course, you know, I get 25 bucks for referring clients. If you do some stuff, whatever. You don't have to. I don't really care. But what I do care about is that you gain the experience you want, need, whatever, in the VPS or whatever kind of experience you're looking for. Anywho, let's go ahead and get started. So once you sign up for Vultr or whatever other platform you're using, if they have this too, because Vultr has a special feature that we're going to be using today. I think DigitalOcean has it, and maybe, you know, AWS Lightsail. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So what you're going to want to do is click Deploy a New Server. You're going to see a menu that looks like this. Keep it on Cloud Compute. Scroll down. And now you're going to want to choose a server location that's closest to you or your users. So for me, I'm going to be choosing New York, New Jersey. And yeah, so like I said, choose a location that's close to you or where most of your users are. Scrolling down, we're going to want to choose this application tab here for server type, and then we're going to want to choose WordPress. It's a very cool feature Vultr has to offer. Anyways, next up is the server size. So if you're just starting out, I recommend the $5 one. Even if you plan to take this seriously, I still recommend the $5 one because it's more than enough to host a couple thousand views a month. But once you start hitting, you know, that 10,000 visitor line, it might be a good idea to start upgrading to these more powerful servers. Another cool feature about Vultr is, even though if you deploy a server using a $5 per month VPS, you can always rescale that server later on to something more expensive without losing any of the data that's on that server, which is pretty neat. You know, it would save you a lot of time. And plus, not to mention all the money it's going to save you if you just start out with a cheap server. Anyways, for this tutorial, we're going to be using the $5 per month server. Scrolling down, we can basically skip all this. Skip. Yep. Alright, coming down to host name, you're going to want to just label it with anything pretty much. I'm just going to choose WordPress because why not? And then all you have to do is click Deploy Now. Alright, and then what this is going to do, it's going to deploy the server. It'll take about a minute or two. And yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, so after about 2 minutes of waiting, our WordPress VPS is up and running. As you can see, it has the status of running. And what's cool is it says the operating system is WordPress. A little cool feature. And yeah, so once you see that it's running, go ahead and click the host name we set. And then you'll see a menu that looks like this. What you're going to want to do is scroll down to the bottom. And then you'll see we'll have a little information here. All you have to do is copy this the URL provided. Open a new tab and paste that. Go to Advanced and proceed. And now we have to enter the username and password Vultr has provided us with here, which you can do by doing, or which you can do by copying and pasting this information. Boop and boop. And now we're on the WordPress installer page. This is where things start to get fun. So choose the main language of your blog or the language you plan on using in the back end of it. Click continue. Now enter your blog's name or your site's name. It doesn't have to be a blog. I'm gonna call mine Carnegie Master. Username. This is gonna be the admin username used to log into the admin panel. I'm just gonna call mine admin. And here's the automatically generated password, which is fine if you want to use that. I'm going to be using that. And then your email, I'm just going to put in a fake email here so I'm not spammed. And yeah. And we could just safely ignore that because we do want our website to be crawled by crawlers. all you have to do next is click install WordPress. As obvious as that is, and then, you know, success, whatever, just verifying details. Then what you're going to want to do here is put in your username that you created, and then paste that password, or, you know, whatever, however you stored that password. And congratulations, you're in your own WordPress installation. As you can see here, looks like a normal WordPress installation. Runs pretty smoothly on that $5 server, right? And yeah, and let me know in the comment section if you want to learn how to change this IP address here to a domain name. And other than that, I think we're finished. If you have any problems, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. And yeah, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.